Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a fascinating topic that affects us all, aging and forgetting. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there? Or maybe you struggle to remember names or faces as you get older? Well, you're not alone. But fear not. Today, we're going to explore the science behind aging and forgetting, and even better, we'll provide you with some practical tips to keep your memory sharp as you age. Let's start by understanding the biological processes behind memory decline as we age. Our brains go through changes over time, and one of the key factors is something called neuroplasticity. This is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. When we're young, our brains are incredibly plastic, allowing us to learn new things quickly and remember them efficiently. However, as we age, neuroplasticity decreases, making it harder for our brains to form and maintain connections. But don't despair. There's more to the story. Researchers have discovered a concept called cognitive reserve, which refers to the brain's ability to withstand damage and function normally despite age-related changes. Think of it as a savings account for your brain. Factors like education, social engagement, and intellectual stimulation contribute to cognitive reserve. So, keeping your mind active with puzzles, reading, or learning new skills can help build up this reserve and potentially delay memory decline. Now, let's talk about some common factors that influence memory retention as we grow older. Genetics play a role, as some people may be predisposed to age-related memory problems. However, lifestyle factors also play a significant part. For instance, chronic stress can impair memory and cognitive function by shrinking the hippocampus, a crucial area of the brain for memory. Poor sleep habits can also interfere with memory consolidation, making it harder to retain information. But fear not. I promised you some practical tips to keep your memory sharp as you age, and here they are. Firstly, prioritize brain-healthy habits like regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, and getting enough quality sleep. Secondly, challenge your brain with activities that stimulate cognitive function, such as puzzles, learning a new language, or playing a musical instrument. In conclusion, aging and forgetting are natural processes, but they don't have to define us. By understanding the biological and psychological factors at play, and implementing simple lifestyle changes, we can support our brain health and maintain sharp memory well into our golden years. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content on biology and psychology. Until next time, keep learning and keep your brain active.